Welcome to Entertainment with Anas. In this video, we are going to tell you about the world's top 5 longest place names. The world really is a weird and wonderful place full of beauty, laughter, and some very strange places. From Virgin Street to Bucket of Blood Street, and some that simply challenge your lung power. Here we are going to look at the world's longest place names, but please, for your own safety, have a large glass of water and a deep breath before trying to pronounce them. So let's get down to it. As you can see on the screen, it's hard to pronounce this name, so you can read it here. This 5th place is held by Spain with this 39-letter beauty spot. It's nowhere near the contender for the top, but extraordinary nonetheless. Located in Azpilicueta, Navarra, it's buzzed for the low field of high pen of Azpilicueta. Navarra is one of the greenest regions in Europe, with over 70% of electricity coming from renewable sources, and for a long time was seen by the EU as the ideal outcome for all of Europe. In a very close fourth with 44 letters, the farm is located in the northwest province of South Africa. It's Afrikaans for the spring where 2 buffaloes were cleanly killed with a single shot, and holds the title for the longest one-word place name in Africa. Anton Gooson has a song titled Showing on a Screen on his 2014 album. South Africa seems to love their long place names. They also have the smaller, a farm in the Upper Karoo, and although this doesn't make the cut for this particular list, it's still undoubtedly impressive. Coming in 3rd place with a slightly more impressive 45 letters in the US. Lake Chau-Beonegangamog, the shortened and more common name for this otherwise beautiful location, is located in Webster, Massachusetts. Deriving from the Nipmuc language, it means fishing place at the boundaries, neutral meeting grounds, and is the longest official one-word place name in the United States. This appeared in all its glory as a potential street address for the fictional Dragonfly in TV's Gilmore Girls. In 2nd place with 58 letters in a location much closer to home for me, Wales, also known as Llanfair PG or Llanfair Paul. This is Europe's longest place name, with many believing it holds the world title. Llanfair PG is Welsh for St. Mary's Church in a hollow of white hazel, near the swirling whirlpool of the Church of St. Celio with a red cave. For anyone thinking about trying to pronounce this, Blackadder put it best: you need half a pint of phlegm in your throat just to pronounce the place names. The name was used as a password for Dildano's headquarters in the 1960s cult film Barbarella. At number 1, New Zealand with an astonishing 85 letters. Taumata is the shortened version of this behemoth. It is located on the north of the island and is Maori, the summit where Tamatea, the man with the big knees, the climber of mountains, the land swallower who traveled about, played his nose flute to his loved one. This is, according to the Guinness World Records, officially the world's longest place name. Taumata appears in numerous songs and popular culture including Quantum Jumps, The Lone Ranger, and weirdly enough, a Mountain Dew jingle. So there we have it. Next time you moan about having to enter those long addresses, feel sorry for the Kiwis having to type in their favorite picnic spot at the summit Tamatea. Oh, or feel sorry for those Welshmen catching the train in Llanfair PG. I personally won't be complaining unless the address is longer than the alphabet. A new rule, I think. There are obviously plenty more place names that are insanely long, but you have to stop at some point, and anything less than 35 characters doesn't seem anywhere near as mammoth as 85. Guys, we hope that you like our video. Kindly subscribe to our channel Entertainment with Anas and share it with your friends too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.